Yeah, well, not that kind of wet. It's been that sort of year this year in 2022. But sometimes in your workshop, you need a little bit of water to do things like cleaning up a glue surface or cleaning down an item that you might be working on. And if you don't have a sink or access to water in your workshop, this can be a little bit of a trial running in and out to get water from the nearest tap or sink. So here's my solution. Let's have a look at some of the options. The first option is the good old spray bottle, but it's pretty slow to get anything damp. It's only a slow amount of water coming out of that, and you can see that cloth is not at all damp. Okay, what about a water bottle with a 3mm hole in the top? Yeah, that's not too bad, but a lot of water at once, hard to control. And so let's try the water bottle you can buy at just about any shop that you go into, takeaway, and it's the same thing, a bit hard to control and lots of water coming out all at once. So the next option is a repurposed bottle from your shower, and it's very hard to get the water where you want it with this. It goes all over the place depending on how hard you push on that top of the bottle, and yeah, it can work, but I find it a bit messy, except for the basic work. Now, of course, we'll grab our cyclist's bottle and try that too, but yeah, not too bad, but again, a fair bit of water coming out all at once. So how about this for a solution? That squeeze honey jar, the squeeze honey jar that you have thrown out so many times when it's empty, is so much easier to control. As much water as you like, where you want it. Put the top on, doesn't leak. Put it down. You can knock it over on your bench. Don't get water everywhere. And you've got the perfect solution for putting some water where you need it in the workshop. Thanks for watching, and I hope that helps. Bye for now, and catch you again soon.